Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about index funds. Index funds are one of the most popular form of investment and it is highly advocated by great investors like Warren Buffett. By the end of this video you are going to know what index funds are, how they work, difference between index and active funds and some of the most popular index funds. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a financial market index, such as the Standard & Poor's 500 Index, S&P 500. An index mutual fund is said to provide broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. Index funds are generally considered ideal core portfolio holdings for retirement accounts, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and 401k accounts. Index fund tracks the market index and mimics the profile of the index that it follows. An index fund tracking the Dow Jones Industrial Average, for example, would invest in the same 30 large and publicly owned companies that comprise that index. Portfolios of index funds only change substantially when their benchmark indexes change. Let's take a look at some of the key differences between actively managed funds and index funds. Active fund aims to beat the market whereas index fund tries to match it. Active funds researches and seeks the best investments and index fund holds same investment as index. Active funds are expensive and high risk with potential for higher returns. On the other hand, index fund is low cost with stable returns. Here are some of the pros and cons of index funds investing. As with every investment, investing in index funds also have its own benefits and drawbacks, so you need to plan your overall investment goals and try and incorporate index funds in your portfolio accordingly. Here are some of the popular and top performing index funds. Hope you all found the video informative. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.